All right, so let's talk about the latest of what's going on in the overall crypto market. We've got a little bit of a sell-off happening here, and I got a couple things I want to share with you to kind of make you aware of what's going on. We did get the gross domestic product report tomorrow. We have the PCE inflation report coming out. Both of these are having an impact on crypto, but they're quite frankly, in my opinion, has been a little bit of market manipulation going on, and I want to show you that right now. Okay, and then we'll kind of move into the overall kind of crypto market stuff. So let me show you first, show you what's going on in kind of the stock side of the house. The Dow's down 168, Nasdaq's down 200. This is basically because of, like I said, right here, the GDP report coming in, showing that the economy is slowing down. The GDP grew at 1.1%, which was down about a percentage plus versus previous quarters. So we have that going on. Now, what I want to show you specifically was that this was actually a Shiba Inu video, but it's not. But I want to point at this little paragraph right here. Okay, so yesterday, this is in the last 24 hours, there's more than 1.4 trillion SHIBs sold off by large investors, as reported by the Into the Block, the crypto intelligence portal. This is the key. This is the key thing right here. The sell-off was triggered by a false report that the U.S. government was selling confiscated bitcoins, leading to panic among trading firms and causing the crypto market to move down. So that's what moved the crypto market down yesterday. I didn't really know that that's what had happened, but that moved us down. We started moving down yesterday, right? And then we've moved down even more, kind of in this negative negative territory. So we've got some, quite frankly, it sounds like manipulation going on, because there was this false report that the U.S. government was selling their confiscated Bitcoin. Now, they do own a ton of Bitcoin. They are, I believe, in the top 10 of all Bitcoin holders. And if you didn't know this, the U.S. government has a tremendous amount of Bitcoin that they've gotten via confiscating them. A big one was the Silk Road scenario. There's two Silk Road confiscations that have confiscation. Is that right? Yeah, confiscated via those two Silk Road associated scenarios. Yeah, so we've had a little bit of manipulation going on, and by kind of false reports out there that the U.S. government was selling them or whatever it is. They're not. I think they sold a little bit off as they've kind of gone. They're not doing a major sell off or anything like that. But anyway, back to kind of what's going on in the overall kind of latest. So that's big, in my opinion. So you got the GDP. It's kind of scaring everybody right now. We're waiting on the PCE. That's tomorrow. So you got those two factors that are impacting, I think, all of crypto. They're impacting Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now definitely running on its down a little bit. Now its 24-hour low has been 27,300. So you can see that that's that move we talked about in that kind of that manipulation thing. We bounced all the way down to 27.3. Can't talk today. We bounced all the way down to 27,300 today with Bitcoin. Ethereum, I think, bounced down accordingly, not as bad. It bounced down to 1792. Okay, so we've had that going on, and then we had obviously. So a little bit of manipulation with false news reports coming out that that there was a major sell-off by the government of its confiscated Bitcoin. You got the GDP, and now tomorrow you got the PCE inflation report. And then, by the way, next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, is when the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting is going to happen. So quite frankly, cards on the table, a lot of kind of negative right now in the proverbial waters, if you will. And I'm not expecting a lot to happen right now. So expect kind of crypto to continue to do what it's doing right now for the foreseeable future, at least until probably Monday or so when we roll in. All right, I'll see you. Take care.